Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the sync module is powered and on, and the camera has power and is close by. Open the app and sign in so you're ready to add a device. This avoids delays. Once done, put the sync module into pairing mode if it's not automatic. Press the button until the LED blinks. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled. These steps let the app detect the module and camera quickly. Now you pair the camera to the sync module through the app. Select Add Device and choose the camera pairing path that references the sync module. The app will guide you through prompts. Put the camera into pairing mode. Listen and watch for LED patterns because they tell you progress and errors. During this exchange, keep the camera within 1 to 2 meters of the module to ensure a strong link. If the app asks for location or permissions, allow them so the pairing completes successfully. Finish by naming the camera, assigning it to a group, and setting your recording preferences so it behaves as you expect. Once configured, test live view, motion alerts, and schedules to confirm everything works. If the app confirms success, make sure firmware updates run. They fix many stability issues. If something goes wrong, reboot the sync module and the camera, move them closer, then retry pairing. This resolves most connection and interference problems quickly, so you're back online.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.